So we're all wired in.
Oh, so don't curse.
Well, you can curse, so just bleep, bleep. Penticton Radio, Piper Twin Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta.
16, wind 160 at 16, gusting 22, altimeter 299.5.
Roger, 16 will taxi for 16 with a run up on Delta 2995 for Uniform Yankee Delta.
Roger, runway 16, report when your run up's complete. I'll get your time or clearance at that time.
Uniform Yankee Delta. Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta is backtracking 16 from Bravo.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger.
Clear right, left.
Clear right.
I followed with this hold.
Yeah, you filed with the hold.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, the wind's different though, so are we just VFRing? I wonder what our
We'll have to
clearance
take the VFR departure, I think, and then
pick up Moped and go from there?
yeah.
Or either that, we have to do Bexit.
I'll just take the VFR departure.
And then head from Bexit. Pick up a mural from there. It's a little bit of a tight corner that way, but it's a lot easier this way, because then we can just...
Yeah, I want that time on that leg.
Yeah, it's going to be a little busy.
Yeah, I don't want to shoot myself in the foot. Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta is clear the runway.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger.
It was a light north wind this morning and yesterday, and then all of a sudden the south winter wind decided to blast through for another day.
Because upper winds, I think, were pretty light.
Very light, yeah. It's just valley bottom wind. Run up check. Brake set, engine roar 150, fuel selectors, mains. Check, mixtures rich, check, props forward, fine, check. Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta, run-up's nearly complete, ready for the IFR clearance.
Yeah, roger, stand by, it's on request.
Uniform Yankee Delta. Fuel selectors, set to mains, check, cowl flaps set open for climb, flaps are up, check. Turbochargers are off, props forward fine, trim set for takeoff, doors, secure and lock controls, roll left, left up, right down, neutral, roll right, right up, right down, neutral.
Uniform Yankee Delta, have your clearance when you're ready to copy.
Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta, ready to copy.
H clears Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta to the Penticton Airport by the Bexit 1 departure, flight planned route. Part runway 16, squawk 0334.
Well, I'm just going to take that then. Okay, ATC clears, Uniform Yankee Delta, departing Penticton Airport, Bexit departure, runway 16, flight plan route, squawk 0334.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger, read back correct, and you contact Vancouver Center 133.5 through 5000.
And we'll contact Vancouver Center 133.5 through 5000, Uniform Yankee Delta.
I kind of figured that's what we were going to get.
That's fine.
3,200 feet, southbound helicopter.
Okay, check the traffic, Uniform Yankee Delta. Bexit. I'll just take the full Bexit. That's all we have here. Exit 16, low departure. Okay, get rid of that. Procedures, depart, Bexit, full Bexit. Tomorrow, well, we'll make it work. Departure takeoff brief. Okay, departing runway 16. Bexit 1 departure, climbing to 1000. Max power 0 flop takeoff. Call out 60, rotate 90, blue line 105, we'll climb at 120.
Okay.
Helicopter 70 Foxtrot, Penticton.
Record brake is off, transponder
70 Foxtrot, yes sir, we're just currently
set
about
to
3 to
alt.
the southeast of you now.
Roger, traffic will be departing runway 16 is a southbound Piper. Their departure takes them basically down the middle of Skaha Lake.
We'll be looking for traffic, 70 Foxtrot.
16 half mile, maintain 10,000 is the sign. Requires minimum climb gradient of 640 feet per nautical mile to 1,500 feet. Climb heading 165 to 1,700. Climbing left turn direct, Wilds, Bexit 180, shuttle 9200 before proceeding on course. Expect clearance flight plan altitude 5 minutes or less after takeoff. Ground speed 120, 1,280 feet per minute required. We can't do that really at all today. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Line up transponder alt, icing as required. Lights are on. I'll leave landing light off. Time you have, fuel pumps are on. Mixture's rich.
Penticton radio, Cessna 172 Golf Hotel Bravo.
Cessna 172 Golf Hotel Bravo, Penticton radio.
Here it goes.
Yeah, we're at the Penticton Flying Club, just taxiing you out. We'd like to backtrack for 16 and then do a run up and then...
Penticton radio, Uniform Yankee Delta is lining up 16.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger.
Okay, static full power check. Temperature, pressure green, everything green, ready?
Check, yep. First.
Penticton radio, Uniform Yankee Delta is rolling 16.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger.
Airspeed's alive.
Check.
60 knots. .90 knots rotate.
Penticton radio, can I just do Hotel Bravo? Can I just do my run up over here, just on the
Blue
north
line,
side of the
positive vertical climb, confirm once, twice.
sure, it's your discretion.
Brakes on, gear up.
And Golf Hotel Bravo, not sure if I gave it to you or not, but you can squawk code 6410.
Stay suspended until 1700.
Right.
Gear up, amber lights, setting climb power.
Okay, that work for you?
Golf Hotel Bravo, just confirm you're squawking 6410. I won't be able to see it until you're in the air.
25 squared.
No Bravo, roger.
Penticton radio, Uniform Yankee Delta, climbing through 5,000, switching over to center.
Uniform Yankee Delta, thanks. Talk to you later.
Vancouver Center, Piper Twin Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Yankee Delta, Vancouver Center, roger, climb 1000.
Okay, Vancouver Center, Uniform Yankee Delta, roger, climb 1000.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger.
172, Golf Charlie Alpha Whiskey.
Activate, activate.
Just 172, Golf Charlie Alpha Whiskey, Pittsburgh. Charlie Alpha Whiskey at the flight training school, proceeding to the fueling base.
Now
Charlie Alpha Whiskey, taxi, Alpha, your discretion.
Wants to take us to Morrow.
Penticton radio, Foxtrot Echo Mike holding short on Bravo.
Yeah.
Foxtrot Echo Mike, you could backtrack, depart your discretion.
Thank you, backtracking 16 for takeoff.
Penticton radio, Piper Twin Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Twin Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta, Pettigrew.
12, 13, there you go.
Penticton radio, Uniform Yankee Delta, it's just past tomorrow, descending through 10,000, cleared Arnav Bravo, approach into Penticton.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger, I understand you're planning a missed approach. The airport wind 16013, gusting 20, altimeter 29904. Traffic backtracking runway 164, downwind left, departure northbound, Cessna 182.
Okay, Penticton radio uniform Yankee Delta, firm on the missed approach 2994. Check the traffic and the winds, uniform Yankee Delta.
Uniform Yankee Delta, report Alpha.
Uniform Yankee Delta.